This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.
Setting up the connection matrix. As the design is coming along, a list of the pins in each net is built into memory. The type of each pin is detected, then each net is checked to see if there are pin types that should not be connected to each other. For example, an output pin connected to another output pin. The connection matrix tab of the project options dialog is where you configure what pin types are allowed to connect to each other. For example, look at the entries on this right side of the matrix diagram and find the output pin. Read across this row of the matrix until you get to the open collector pin column. The square where the intersect is orange is actually indicating that an output pin is connected to an open collector pin on your schematic. Now, this will generate an error condition when the project is compiled. You can set search error type with a separate error level from no report to a fatal error. Click on a colored square to change the setting. Click to continue to move to the check level. Then set the matrix so that unconnected passive pin generates an error, just as shown in this image.